I'm Tanja Odzak, eXp Realty, and let me show you why you're gonna love this one. Welcome to 153 Rubicon Circle, an updated 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo offering 1,391 square feet of thoughtfully designed space. From the expansive living room with fireplace to the fresh updates throughout, this home delivers easy, comfortable living in an unbeatable location. The kitchen and bathrooms offer a wonderful opportunity to personalize and design exactly to your own taste and truly make the space your own. Imagine living in Westside Danville, just moments from downtown, surrounded by towering redwoods in a peaceful environment. I'm Tanja Odzak. Call me if you have any questions about this home or about any other home, or if you'd like to talk to me about selling your home. I'm always here to help.